is the cause for manifesting the world. Because it's the creator. This cause, karanam, means cause, and the cause for manifesting the creation, this coming into manifestation is called creation. We don't say creation, we use the word manifestation. We say the world is a manifestation. We don't call it the world is a creation in the Vedantic model. It's a manifestation, coming into being. And so, the coming into being, anything that comes into being, any creation involves two causes. Any creation involves two causes. One is called the intelligent cause. Cause, the Sanskritam word is karanam. The intelligent cause is nimitta karanam. The cause that has the intelligence has the knowledge of that object it wishes to create. That cause must have the knowledge of that object. That's called intelligent cause. Number two, there needs to be a material cause. With mere intelligence you cannot create. It needs a material cause, means tangible material because of which the object can be brought about by the intelligent being. And two causes are there, therefore, nimitta karanam, intelligent cause, and upadana karanam or material cause. This twofold cause, you can just see. For example, I want to create a pizza. And I've been dreaming about creating a pizza for a long time. I know exactly how to make it. I've seen in that pizza parlor this guy just kneading that wonderful dough and then rolling it out, and then when he finishes rolling, he just throws it in the air and then catches it and rolls it down. And what a skill, what an intelligent, graceful way of producing that dough and the base. I know exactly what to do. Intelligence is there. Knowledge to create pizza is there. But I don't have any white flour available to me. I don't have any baking soda available to me. I have no material around me because I am sitting in the Himalayas. I cannot expect to make a pizza sitting on the banks of Ganga in a forest. I have no material. Can I make pizza? No way. So I may be an intelligent cause, having the skill and the knowledge, but I have no material, no creation is possible. What if I somehow manage to get the material? I have the material to make, but I don't know how to make. That's what happens when you first learn pottery, And you buy that wheel, and you buy get the clay, and then you know how to turn that thing and then get it going. You have the material, and you love to work with clay because it just wets and makes your hand all gluey, and you just love the feel of wet mud in your hand, and then you put your hand there together. The material is great, but the pot doesn't emerge. You have to have the skill of how to manage while that wheel keeps moving. This pot needs to get created. I once tried making a pot, And I tried and finally when I got it, suddenly I don't know what happened, the pot became like, oh, the head and the bottom both had holes on two sides. And the whole thing went, doing some kind of a yoga asana. Material was there, but no skill. Any creation requires both intelligent cause and material cause. The question is, are these two causes one or they are separate? The Vedantic tradition looks into this very closely. In fact, I would say any religion, any faith, any religion, any theology is about whether they accept two causes or one cause. If they accept one cause, just the intelligent cause, and don't talk about material cause, the creator and the creation remain two different things. If they talk about two causes, then the question is, are there really two or is there only one? Are they two separate? Or is it these kinds of metaphysical questions takes you to theosophy, theology. And so here, in Vedantic tradition, we recognize two types of causes. If you consider the two causes as separate, then we say it is like a pot maker and the clay. Is the relationship between the creator and the creation like a pot maker and the clay, the intelligent cause and the material cause? Or there is another possibility where the creator, the intelligent cause and the material cause are the same. Like, for example, a spider who intelligently, tremendous intelligence and knowledge it has how to create the web. And it also finds the material from within itself to create the web. So is the spider not the intelligent and the material cause? So both are rolled in one. Like the dreamer and the dreamt world. You are the intelligent cause of your dream and you are also what? The very dream. You are the inert forests, the mountains, the rivers, the stones. You are all life forms in that dream. The animals, the plants, the birds, the ocean life, everything is you. And you are also the dreamer. You are the dreamer, you are the dreamt world, and you are the very experienced dream, all rolled into one. So both possibilities are there. And what is the relationship in the Vedantic tradition of the creator with the manifest world?